everyone, it's time for Pinky. Today, let's draw Rudolph, the reindeer. Hello there, curious minds. Let me take you on a magical journey into the wonderful world of reindeer, those enchanting creatures that make the holiday season even more special. So, buckle up for a sleigh ride of facts and fun. Meet Rudolph, the most famous reindeer of all. Now, what makes Rudolph so special, you ask? Well, he's not your typical reindeer, no sir. Rudolph has a bright, glowing red nose that lights up the night like a little beacon. It's not just for show. That shiny nose helps guide Santa's sleigh through the dark skies on Christmas Eve. But let's not forget about the other reindeer in Santa's team: Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. These spirited reindeer aren't just helpers, they're Santa's trusted companions on his epic journey around the globe. They're like the coolest squad, spreading joy and magic wherever they go. Reindeer are also known as caribou in some parts of the world. They're like the rock stars of the Arctic and subarctic regions, with their thick, cozy fur that keeps them warm even in the chilliest weather. Imagine having your own built-in winter coat. How cool is that? Let's paint Rudolph, the reindeer, together. Speaking of cool, did you know that reindeer hooves click when they walk? Yep, it's true. Their hooves make a clicking sound as they hit the ground, and some say it's like the reindeer are playing their own festive tune as they prance around the North Pole. Now, let's talk about antlers, those magnificent head ornaments that reindeer proudly wear. Both male and female reindeer grow antlers, but the girls are the trendsetters here. They sport their antlers all winter long, while the guys usually shed theirs after the holiday season. Talk about a festive fashion statement. Here's a little reindeer exercise routine for you. These marvelous creatures are excellent swimmers. If they need to cross a river or a chilly lake, they dive right in and paddle away like little aquatic acrobats. Imagine Rudolph doing the backstroke. That would be a sight to behold. Now, my young friends, aren't reindeer just the coolest companions for Santa? With their twinkling noses, clickety-clack hooves, and fabulous antlers, they bring a touch of magic to our holiday celebrations. So, next time you hear the pitter-patter of hooves on your rooftop, remember, it might just be Santa and his reindeer spreading joy and wonder to the world. See you in the next video.